What's going on, traders? In this video we're going to be taking a look at GBPUSD and exactly what I'm looking for. The daily chart is still on an uptrend, so I will be looking to buy pullbacks in this market, just waiting for the right opportunity. And in this video I'm going to explain to you exactly what I'm looking for. And if you want to support the channel, check out the Patreon and the link in the description. You can get my chart analysis, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my videos. Alright, so first of all, we're going to be looking at the daily chart of the British pound. As you can see here, we have this very nice demand zone that was formed right here. I'm not a huge fan of the base, but it did remove this supply. So the daily trend is still up. That trend line's holding. But the reason I'm waiting right now to see what's going to happen, basically one of two things I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for this 4-hour trend to continue. As you can see, we're reacting very nice off of this demand zone that I've had drawn out for a while. And so I'm basically waiting for that to continue and then buying pullbacks on the 4-hour. Or if that 4-hour supply holds, I'm expecting price to basically come back down into this daily demand, and then I'm basically going to be looking for a 1-hour momentum shift. So I basically go to my 1 hour if that happens, and we'll probably see something like this. This demand would be removed, probably create new supply. Could even see this demand be removed, and then we would start to look for that momentum shift up and for a pullback. So basically I'm waiting for the trend to continue on the 4-hour up, or I'm waiting for this supply zone to hold and push price back down to get an even better buying opportunity inside of this daily demand area. And it's that's why I track all of my zones for the Patreon members as well. And the reason I like the pound specifically is because if you look on one higher time frame above the daily, which is the weekly, you'll see that the profit margin is very nice. Like, we could see it go up to the 1.41 area. So if we do get, like, if you could get a 1-hour pullback, let's just do it right here. So if you get a 1-hour pullback down in here, right? Like, let's just say it's around here, something like that. The 1.41 area for your final targets, it's extremely far away. So there's a lot of opportunity to for a nice pullback and a lot of profit margin specifically, as long as this daily time frame holds. And if we don't get the 1-hour momentum shift and this daily zone breaks, then we're probably going much lower on the weekly time frame over here. So basically just looking for the 4-hour trend to continue, or for the 4-hour trend to start to trend down, and then looking for a 1-hour momentum shift in this daily demand area. Hopefully that makes sense. Let me know in the comments down below what you're looking for on the British pound, and I'll talk to you guys later. Cheers.